Hey guys, it's Jasmine back again with another video, and today in front of me we have the Off-White University Dunks. The University Gold, my bad, University Gold Dunks. So I'm very excited. I got these off GOAT. Since they're off-white, the price is pretty high on them. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna put on the left and right what they are going for right now on StockX and GOAT. So we'll just see if the price goes up on that or down. Currently the stock market on shoes is pretty low, as we've seen in the past couple weeks with the coronavirus. So let's just enjoy what we see here. I'm pretty stoked. This is my first pair of off-whites, so let's get into the unboxing. Right away we have that shiny Nike box, and you can see me there. Hey. Okay, so this I got a men's 10.5. Don't want to ruin the box. Okay, so the box, as you can see, is kind of damaged, but we have men's 10.5 right there. So off-whites, you can kind of see the box has its own design. That's how you know they're kind of off-white. So time for the part we've all been waiting for. Look at that paper though. We have this awesome, it's orange paper. It looks yellow because I have this high watt light, but it is an orange paper for the University Gold. And then of course we have the GOAT sticker, the GOAT verification process, and we're gonna go ahead and see the shoes. Boom! Wow, the leather on these, you guys, is so awesome. Look at this off-white tag, off-white zip tie. Wow, these just feel so awesome. You can't see the writing that great, obviously, because it blends in with the blue here. But wow, these are just awesome. The tongue is so like, just, these are premium shoes. Like, these feel obviously like $400 shoes, although the retail was not $400. They were, I think, $180. But I could be wrong. I'll double check the price and put that on the screen what the retail was, but these were $445 on GOAT. Let's get the other pair out here. This is the other pair. Now these are awesome. Wow, these have to be my favorite shoe of all time. I'm just so impressed with these shoes, you guys. These shoes are the best shoes. I'm not gonna put these on. I might leave them dead stock just because off-whites tend to fluctuate in price and you can make more money if you keep them dead stock, but we'll see. I kind of want to wear these shoes. I've spent a lot of money on these and I tend to wear all my shoes. It is kind of dark outside. I'm only going to wear these shoes on like amazing days, but I will do some good shots of them. Some good B-roll so you guys can see them. Man, look at these laces though. Shoelaces. See if the camera can focus. There we go, shoelaces. You got double the shoelaces, look at this. Wow, look at these shoes, you guys. These are amazing. The leather on this is so awesome. Obviously, I want the trio of these, but that's a pretty penny. Your girl can't afford that right now. Couldn't really afford these to begin with. This was kind of like just kind of a random buy. So yeah, the box plus the shoe, it's tight. It's tight. These shoes are awesome. Obviously, with off-whites, the code is you cannot take off the zip tie. You gotta wear them with the zip tie. But I'll throw in some B-roll, you guys. These shoes are awesome. Let me know what you think of the University Gold, or if you guys like the all red pair or the gold, not the gold, I'm sorry, the green pair. These are my favorite. If I were to pick up another color, it'd be the red ones. But thank you for tuning in. I'm getting Rejuvenator tomorrow. I'm gonna restore some of my old shoes and we're gonna do some comparisons and see if it's really that great of stuff. I think it is. So stay tuned, and thank you all for stopping by. These are the Off-White Dunks in University Gold, and these are an incredible shoe. And thank you all for stopping by. We'll see you guys next time.